Hey everyone, Crystal with Crystal Clear College Planning. I figured it was time for us to bust a myth. I am located in Washington state, that is, and I have been working in this industry for 11 years. And in doing so, I have worked with and met with people from all across the country. So I have clients in Colorado, in Texas, in the Carolinas, in the Midwest, and of course here in our beautiful Pacific Northwest. I also have kids that apply to universities across the country as well. So we look at schools like Baylor and DePaul and Marquette, University of Florida, Purdue, Suffolk, Duquesne. There's tons of them. Of course, yet again, those that are in our Pacific Northwest. And so I just wanted to encourage you, if you are concerned, hey, she's in Washington, she's not going to be able to help us out. We do work all across the country with families in a lot of different positions. So I want to make sure that you can be supported and that you are more than welcome to schedule that initial consultation so that we can talk about where your student is at, where your finances are at, and then what that means in terms of your opportunity to get money in order to go to college. And as a tidbit, I had to wear my ears because adventure is out there, right? When we open up our possibilities, there's lots of different schools out there. As you'll see from the other ones behind me, I'm a big Disney fan. So just looking forward to seeing you guys here at our next meeting.